Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I get to share with you a card kit that is back by popular demand. This is part of Simon Says STAMPtember surprises. Today Simon Says Stamp actually sent this to me to share with you guys, and today we're going to go over the kit contents. This, again, I mentioned is a kit that's back by popular demand, and Simon Says Stamp is taking pre-orders for this kit, which means you can purchase it now and then it will be shipped later on. This particular kit will be shipping mid to late October, and so plenty of time for your holiday card making. And I mentioned that because this is a Christmas kit. This is a faith-based Christmas kit. It has baby Jesus, it has nativity scenes, and so I think you're going to fall in love with it. I thought it was just gorgeous. Your kit will come in this package, and just like all Simon's card kits come, it'll be in here. I took mine out just to save you from the noise. We're going to go over everything that's in it really quickly. This is a Simon Says Stamp mesh bag. It's large enough to hold 8.5 by 11 sheets. It's actually large enough to hold the entire kit contents, which is really nice. The colors will vary. I happen to have the blue one here, but it's a very nice quality mesh bag, and that's included in this kit. And I didn't even tell you the name of the kit. The kit is called Hark, the Newborn King. So it's a beautiful, beautiful kit. First, we're going to go over the cardstock. You get 4 8.5 by 11 sheets. And the beautiful blues and craft and browns. This looks black, but it's actually brown. This is soft navy. You have dark chocolate, cornflower, and then these are all 100-pound cardstock along with the Nina Desert Storm. That's 100-pound also. So I love this for night skies. I think it's perfect for nativity scenes. The stamp set this month is named after the kit. It's called Hark, the Newborn King, and it's just beautiful. A lot of silhouettes. So it's just ink and stamp, which is really nice. Or you can heat emboss these for a shine. I think that's gorgeous. They have beautiful sentiments in here. Beautiful greetings. And it's great for scene building. And this is a 6 by 8 stamp set. Also included is a stencil. The stencil, I took it out of the package, and it's just beautiful. Let me show you. Look how gorgeous that is. This is called the Stylized Mandala. It almost looks like a snowflake. So it's just beautiful, and I think it will go really good with the silhouettes that are in the stamp set. So that's also included. We're going to go over our pattern papers that are in the kit. You get 12 double-sided 6 by 6 sheets of pattern papers. These are from Crafter's Companion, and each of these 6 by 6 pattern papers have the nativity scene or some elements of like the wise men, or you even have the little baby Jesus here. And you have the North Star, but these pattern papers are just gorgeous. Sometimes pattern papers like this can create a card on its own, or some beautiful tags also. Look how pretty that is. The wise men in the back there. Get Bethlehem. You have the angels singing. They have a little bit of a distressed look to them too, which makes them vintage looking, really pretty. So those are the front. And then the back, I'm not going to go over all the back, but the back has some beautiful, almost like night sky with distressing on them. And they're all different colors. These are little stars, which are really pretty. So those are your 6 by 6 pattern papers that are included in the kit. You get a die, and it is a beautiful manger. It's a 2-piece, so you can actually use your nippers and cut away the star here to create a custom die cut. And it's a nice size. Against an A2, you can see the size difference here. So this is a nice size, and that's your die that's included in the kit. Now also included is a Misty sticky grid mat. Now Your grid mat, I want to mention, will be different sizes. So I have the original Misty size, but you could get the mini. So the sizes will vary when it comes to this mat. Now some of you are thinking, well, I don't have a stamping positioner. Why do I need this? This is great too for stenciling, because what it is you just peel the protective layer off the top, and then this is sticky. So if you want to die cut this out with white cardstock, you could stick it on here and then ink blend over it, and it's not going to shift or move. Or you could actually use this also with stenciling. Let me show you. You would put your card base down, and then you can put your stencil over it, and the stencil will help. The sticky mat will help hold your stencil in place. Oops, sorry about the shaky camera. But this is great for stenciling too. So if you don't have a stamping positioner, this is a valuable tool to have in your craft room. And again, your sizes will vary with this. So this is nice and handy. And it works great for your stamping positioners also. I have one in each one of my stamping positioners. You can see here. This one's actually losing its tackiness, so I might just trim this down and put it in my mini Misty. Okay, we also get, these are Bold Christmas acetate sheets from Simon Says Stamp's acetate collection, and they are very similar, but they're different. And what these are great for are greetings and sentiments. You could actually put some white cardstock behind them and use that as a greeting. But these are also nice to foil. And speaking of foiling, Simon Says Stamp has included some foil transfer sheets that are great for this. So if you have a laminator or you have a Mink machine, you can foil these, which makes it really nice, especially for elegant cards like this. You get 8 6x6 sheets in this pack, so plenty of foil, and they're all gold, which is really nice. So that's also included. You also get 2 no shed 6x6 glitter sheets. The reverse sides are white, and these are great for die cutting also. You get copper and bronze, so a little sparkle to your Christmas cards. You get 3 washi tapes. These actually are from a 3-pack that are from American Crafts. There's, I would say they're low tack too. So if you want to use this as low tack tape and you're not a washi tape person, these work great for that. I swatched them out for you. That's why they kind of are lifting a little bit. But this is what they look like. You get the gold diagonal stripes, you get silver polka dots, and then you get this coppery chevron print. So those are your washi tapes. You know, you get 3 of them, and they're really big rolls. Also included are some star sequins, and this is a huge pack. I just took the staples out of mine, but because I wanted to share with you the size. Look at, they're big, beautiful stars. They go perfect with the foiling. Look how pretty those are. So you get a whole pack of those that will last you a very long time. And then you get this is a Rainbow Splash sponge applicator, and this is great. You could actually add some ink with this, creating a little bit of a night sky maybe in the background, or color in your manger because it's a really nice size. But it's a nice little spongy tool, great for daubing. So that's also included. Speaking of inks, there's more. You get 2 full-size ink pads. This here is soft navy. Soft navy is, let me show you, is this color here. So it coordinates with the cardstock beautifully. And it is a Simon Says Stamp Premium Dye ink pad. You also get the Simon Says Stamp Clear Embossing and Watermark ink pad. So this is great for embossing, especially when you have silhouette images. So you can use your embossing ink for that. And Simon Says Stamp thought of everything, because you also get some fine detail clear embossing powder. This is a full-size jar. And I'm not even going to open mine yet because I will probably spill it. And I have, because I already have one open, but this is fine detail clear, which is really nice for, again, for those silhouette images. So you can use your watermark ink pad and your embossing powder. Kind of a has it all kit. And that's everything in the kit, with the exception of your sweet treat that's also included. So again, kit is available for pre-order. It's Simon Says Stamp. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check it out. But it's fully loaded and it's backed by popular demand, part of the STAMPtember event. I can't believe it's gone by so fast. But I just thought I would share this with you. I want to thank you so much for joining me. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. Have a fabulous day, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.